Sairam to all, welcome to our channel. If you and your loved ones struggle with snoring, this video is for you. Today, we will practice simple breathing exercises that help reduce snoring naturally and improve sleep quality. Let's begin. Bhramari Pranayama. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Gently close your ears and eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose. As you exhale, make a soft humming sound like a bee. Feel the vibration in your throat, face, and head. Breathe in again slowly through the nose. Repeat the humming exhalation. Simha bastrika. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Place your hands front. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Open your mouth wide. Stretch your tongue out fully. Open your eyes wide and look upward. Exhale forcefully through the mouth, making the sound ha. Relax your face and breathe normally. Repeat it 5 to 7 times. Gentle breathing and mindful practice can improve sleep naturally. Make this a part of your daily routine for calmer nights and healthier mornings. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Thank you for being with us. Namaskar.